Okay, so I'm coming on real quick because with everything I got going on, I used to like wigs, but they make me feel like I'm suffocating, and it makes me feel like my scalp is not getting any oxygen, whether it be premenopausal, menopausal, or X or the other. I did weaves, but the sew-ins are very tedious on my scalp. Those two made me feel like I'm suffocating, especially when you do it with a net. So I opted for I-tips to be able to actually sweat naturally and to still receive air to my hair follicles, because to me that is important. So before you right now, I am doing a ghetto home kitchen challenge, and I am going to ask if it's possible that we could take hair off of this wig and make it into I-tips. Then we have hair off of this wig and make it into I-tips. I decided to go with these two different brands of hair due to it being fall season and people are getting back to work, school is involved. These need to be cleaned and these need to be groomed and treatment. But leave your comments below and tell me what you think. I particularly like this hair because it's black at the tips, brown, and it has a multi-blend, but I also wouldn't mind blending it with this just to give it a realistic look of a treatment of color. So we have here two different wigs that we can try to make I-tips, because being that it is coming into the fall season, plus back to school and work, we want to be a little bit more professional than my curly hair treatments. And I'm thinking, let's do it off of the wig. So with that being said, most wigs come with hair that is, if I can get it separated, already within a track. As you can see, there's a track right there. So I'm wondering if on not wasting this hair, this is some beautiful hair to be on a wig, but because I choose not to wear wigs no more for that reason, I'm wondering if it can be cut off of the track, as you can see right here, and used for I-tips. Like I said, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Waste not, want not, but if the hair fits for the job, let it serve its purpose, okay? Thank you for subscribing.